When I first told my mom about Nimesh, there were just a few things, some very specific things that she wanted to know about him. She asked if he's nurturing, if he's intelligent, and if he makes me laugh. Without hesitation, I enthusiastically said yes. Anybody who knows Nimesh knows that he is all of those things and so much more. He's kind-hearted and he's so patient. Of course, this, I'm sure, is all thanks to being dad dog to Ronnie for the last 13 years, so I have her to thank for that. He's also very thoughtful in how he expresses himself and shares his knowledge. He's so generous, not only with his love and attention, but with money too. He leaves the biggest tips whenever we go out. I'm so lucky to call this man my husband, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of our lives together.
Nimesh, I'm sure you know these wonderful qualities about the woman you are now married to. I'm so happy that Sowmya's found a partner to support her in the way that you do, and also someone who enjoys going on culinary escapades around the world. I hope you guys take me someday.
But that's just Nimesh. He doesn't sweat the small stuff, and he's easygoing about pretty much anything. He's the perfect little brother for a type A sister. Marriage is a verb. It's not a noun. It's not something you get, but it's something you do. It's how you love your partner every day.
I'm so happy that Nimesh moved 2,000 miles away so that he could find you. People say that a son marries his mother. Unfortunately, I think Nimesh has married his sisters and his mother. Yikes. Yes, take it in, take it in.